If you're building AI agents right now, you've probably heard about LangGraph and Langflow. But here's the thing, most people pick the wrong one for their project and end up wasting weeks of development time. I've spent the last month building the same AI agent in both platforms, and what I found will probably surprise you. Today, we are going to break down exactly when you should use LangGraph versus Langflow, and I'll show you the one factor that should determine your choice every single time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits your project and, more importantly, which one will save you the most time and headaches. But first, let me ask you this. Are you someone who loves writing code and wants complete control over every detail? Or do you prefer visual tools that let you see your workflow as you build it? Your answer to that question is going to determine which path you should take. So let's jump right in. Let's start with LangGraph. LangGraph is what we call a low-level orchestration framework. Think of it as the engine under the hood for building really sophisticated AI agents. It was created by the LangChain team specifically for developers who need to build stateful multi-actor applications with large language models. Now, when I say stateful, I mean your agent can remember things across different conversations. And multi-actor means you can have multiple AI agents working together on complex tasks. LangGraph gives you complete control over how your agents behave, how they make decisions, and how they handle errors. On the other side, we have LangFlow. LangFlow is essentially a visual GUI for building AI workflows. Instead of writing code, you drag components onto a canvas and connect them together to create your AI pipeline. It's like having Photoshop for AI agents. You can see exactly what you're building as you build it. LangFlow gives you both the visual authoring experience and access to the underlying code when you need it. So you're not completely locked out of customization, but you don't have to start from scratch either. Here's a simple way to think about it. LangGraph is like building a car from individual parts. You have complete control, but need to know how every component works. LangFlow is like using a car configurator. You pick from pre-built options, but can still customize the details that matter to you. Now let's talk about the real differences that matter for your projects. First, the learning curve. With LangGraph, you need to understand Python programming, graph theory, and how to structure complex workflows in code. It's powerful, but it takes time to master. LangFlow, on the other hand, you can literally start building agents in minutes. The visual interface makes it much easier to understand what's happening in your workflow. Second, let's talk about control and customization. LangGraph gives you what they call low-level and extensible control. You can build custom agents with complete freedom, and it has first-class streaming support where you can see tokens appearing in real time. This is perfect for complex applications where you need everything to work exactly how you want it. LangFlow focuses more on rapid prototyping and ease of use. It has an interactive playground where you can test your flows immediately, and it automatically turns your workflows into API endpoints. Less granular control, but way faster to get something working. Third, deployment and persistence. LangGraph has built-in support for long-running workflows and persistent checkpoints. This means your agents can handle really complex, multi-step processes that might take hours or days to complete. It's built for production-scale applications. LangFlow makes deployment super simple. Every workflow automatically becomes an API that you can integrate anywhere. It's more focused on getting your agents deployed quickly rather than handling ultra-complex scenarios. So, when should you choose each one? Here's my framework for deciding. Choose LangGraph when you're building production applications that need complex logic, when you have a team of experienced developers, or when you need features like human-in-the-loop approvals and advanced error handling. LangGraph is also your go-to choice if you're building multi-agent systems where different agents need to collaborate on complex tasks. Think customer service platforms, automated research systems, or any application where reliability and fine-tuned control are more important than development speed. Choose LangFlow when you want to prototype quickly, when you have non-technical team members who need to understand or modify the workflows, or when you're building relatively straightforward agents that don't need complex state management. LangFlow is perfect for content generation, workflows, simple chatbots, data processing pipelines, or any project where you want to see results fast and iterate quickly. It's also great if you are just learning about AI agents and want to understand how different components work together. Here's the truth, there's no wrong choice here. Both LangGraph and LangFlow are solving real problems, just for different types of projects and developers. If you're a developer who loves control and is building something complex, LangGraph will give you the power you need. If you want to move fast, see your logic visually, and get something deployed quickly, LangFlow is your friend. And here's a pro tip, you don't have to choose forever. Many developers start with LangFlow to prototype and understand their requirements, then migrate to LangGraph when they need more control or are ready for production scale. I put links to both LangGraph and LangFlow in the description below, along with their documentation and getting started. Guides. If this helped you decide between these tools, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI development content. And let me know in the comments, which one are you planning to try first? I read every comment and I'd love to hear about your projects. See you in the next video.